Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your credit monitoring subscription on Experian. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your credit monitoring subscription on Experian, start by visiting the official Experian website. Log into your Experian account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option that says Manage Subscription or Subscription Settings. Click on that option to access your current subscription details. Review your existing plan to understand its benefits and limitations. To update your subscription, select the option to change plan or upgrade. You will be presented with various plan options. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the plan you wish to select for more details. Review the pricing and features of the new plan carefully. If you are satisfied, click on the Select or Continue button. You may need to confirm your payment information. Enter any required payment details and confirm your changes. Review the summary of your new subscription before finalizing. If everything looks correct, click on the Confirm or Submit button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription has been updated. Check your email for any updates or confirmations from Experian regarding your subscription change. Log out of your account when you are finished. You have successfully updated your credit monitoring subscription on Experian. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.